Hello all. I hope you have gone through the first demo of data analytics. In this demo, we will talk about what is actually a data analytics. So guys, be with me to understand the completely from very scratch what is data analytics to understand. So guys, I would like to tell you one small story in this. There is a one girl called Neha in Hyderabad. She's having a small bakery. Okay, she's having a small bakery and she's baking the different kind of dishes and she's selling it. So the month after month she is doing the business and every month some changes are happening. Okay, she is sometimes making profit, she is sometimes making loss, she is sometimes okay the products which are created those are not being sold, and that is because of she's again facing some loss. So guys, she is her journey was like always ups and downs. So a lot of people are coming, they're visiting her bakery, but what, no one is giving her proper suggestion. But one day Nikhil, her cousin brother, came to her bakery and asked not a baked product to eat, but asked, give me your total record so I can go through it and understand why you are facing, why you are having this uncertain business. So he has recently taken a skills of data analytics. He is a data analytics engineer. Nikhil is a data analytics engineer. And Nikhil took all the records and went through all. He used different tools like Power BI, Excel, SQL, Python, and he made a nice dashboard and found out, okay, there are certain reasons. Because Neha, she's preparing baked products throughout the year, same quantity of baked products, no matter it is a weekday or a weekend day, no matter it is a summer or it is a winter or rainy season, no matter what month it is going on, people are on fasting or people are on like anything. Okay, every day she is preparing the same amount of products and she is trying to sell them. So first of all, he understand, okay, there are some trends. Whenever there is a week off, the sale is high. Whenever there is a weekday, there is a sell is little low. So like that, different kind of variety of reasons he found why she is making loss and where she is making loss and how to eliminate them. So guys, if you're trying to plan to become a data analytics, you also have to gain the skills like Nikhil has gained. So I will tell you in this demo what are the skill sets Nikhil learned, practiced, and now he is one of the renowned data analytics engineer. So guys, first of all, let's start in big companies how the data analytics people work. They need a data first of all. What is data? So first of all, we need a data. And what is data? Data is nothing but, okay, the way Neha gave data, her records, sell records, purchase records, everything, okay, her related to infrastructure data records, financial records, different records, whichever she maintained. So what is data? Data is nothing but information. Data is nothing but information which can be recorded. So recorded, this is what a data means. And everyone needs this data, refined data, to make their business more profitable, to take proper decisions. So guys, so what is data? Data is nothing but information which can be recorded. So where will we get this data? Data is not ready-made. You have to collect the data. You have to collect the data. So there is a one engineer in IT. In IT companies, you will find he's sitting and he is trying to get the data. He's trying to get the data. and that engineer is called data engineer. What is it? Data engineer. So what is the responsibility of data engineer is to get data, okay, collect the data from where? Different records, applications, web scraping, databases, XMLs, JSONs, different variety of formats. So from there, this data engineer will collect the data, and once it is collected, there might be some impurities in the data. So this guy will clean the data, okay, clean the data, and once the data is clean, this guy will arrange this data. So we call it in our technical language data wrangling, so arranging data in a proper format. Next, once the data engineer does the job, the next guy will come. Let's say the next engineer is okay, is here, and this engineer is called data scientist. What is this? Data scientist. So this data scientist will take the data and build the models. Models means what? Some application which are wiser, okay, which are like taking this data which is created, which is made, prepared by this data engineer, and this data scientist will use, guys, to further processing, or let's say further, okay, further development. So what this guy will do, data scientist will simply write programs, okay, write programs. Second, write programs. Okay, write program code, okay, and then second one is what? Write some logic. Okay, write some logic programs. And third one, okay, give that data, okay, give the data to the program, so that program, that application will learn, okay, will get trained from that data, guys. So data scientist work is nothing but what? To train the machines to learn from the data. Once again, what is the work of the data scientist? To train the machines to learn from the data. That is the work of data scientist. So end of this, they will build, okay, they will build a nice wise machines, okay, which can answer the questions. So you can simply have this kind of models here who are answering your questions. We all have seen like chat gpt, okay, chat gpt, then what, copilot, okay, and different kind of ais. These ais are nothing but a small version of, you can, these are like a one bigger version of, you can see, data science models. Next one, the third guy comes, okay, the third guy comes, was called, okay, was called data, okay, data analytics engineer. Yes, this data analytics engineer now can directly take the data and do some visualization. Let's say you have a data, a variety of data, okay. Recently Neha was selling some products, okay, Neha was selling some products. So here is a product, okay, here is a product, here is a product, here is price, okay, then what, here is the date, okay, kind of this different things you are maintaining, let's say, and here is the profit, Okay, profit. So kind of this data is there. Let's say cupcakes. Okay, next one, price is 10 rupees. Date is what? 12, 10, 20, 25. Okay, and the profit is 1 rupee. Okay, 1 rupee. Like this. Then what? Bread. Bread is 20 rupees. Prepared on 13, 10, 20, 25. And the profit is around 5 rupees. Okay, 5 rupees. And here next one is what? Cake. Cake is 50 rupees. Prepared on 14th, 10, 20, 25. Okay, it's a dummy data which is I'm creating here, and the profit is 10 rupees. So how can I visualize? Right now it's a very small data, but let's say if the big organizations are there, and those big organizations will have a very big data, very big data, like millions of records, billions of records. So there we cannot, okay, manually look into it and find out, okay, through cake she's making high profit, through cupcake she is making low profit. But with the help of data analytics engineers, we can get the nice dashboards. Okay, dashboards are nothing but a, you can say dashboards are nothing but, you can say these are the charts. Okay, these are the charts. You might have seen this kind of charts. This is called a bar chart. Okay, at one point of time in our lives we have all learned bar charts. Okay, how to create bar charts, pie charts. Okay, in our schools, same thing we do here. Okay, so guys, this is your x-axis, y-axis, and here you are writing the profits and everything. Okay, here is what, here is the first one is what? Cake. Okay, here is cake. Next one, next one is bread, and the third one, okay, the third one is, okay, cupcake. So I'm writing short here, C cake. Okay, something like this. So we are having here, okay, we are having this all things here. And we are just, okay, mentioning this kind of values. Okay, this kind of profits I want to, okay, mention this. Okay, arrange this profit also. So let's say here is the one. Okay, yes, cake is making, okay, let's say cupcake. Okay, here is, sorry, here is a cupcake, and here is a cake. So cupcake is making 1 rupee profit. Then what? Next one is bread. Bread is making 5 rupees of profit. Okay, and the third one is cake. Cake is making 10 rupees of profit. Okay, 10 rupees of profit. So you can arrange in this way this kind of data. Arranging this data in this format, this figures, is called nothing but data analytics. So guys, this data analytics is nothing but visualizing data with the help of graphs. What do I say? Visualizing data. Visualizing data with the help of graphs. Visualizing data with the help of graph is called data analytics. Okay, analytics. So how to create this data analytics graphs? Okay, we are going to learn in short, okay, in next lecture. So guys, you can create this kind of graphs. You can create, let's say, this pie charts. Okay, everyone knows pie charts. Everyone knows, okay, this is different types of, if you are aware about share market, stock market, okay, you might have seen this kind of graphs. So creating different graphs, okay, bar charts, pie charts, scatter plot, then what else? line chart, everything we are going to learn in this data visualization. So guys, how to make this kind of graph, that might be question, and which is what we are learning in the third and last demo of data analytics too. So be tuned to watch our next video. Thank you so much.